and then of course the weekend.
Thank you, Esai. So, good evening to everyone, and thank you for joining us in our brief. So, how I remember my father was that he really loved my mom. So, when Dad was still starting in his career as an electrical engineer in Supat Thermal Plant, and being early riser and genuine Ilocano, known for hard work, industry, frugality, he would leave the house before sunrise. So sometimes I would join him to the gate, and he would tell me, "Don't fight with your mom." So he has a way of saying things in the negative, but it really meant that he really loved my mom, and he really respected my mom as a spouse and valued her. So, Mom, Dad really loved you, and he was a precious gem that no man can buy. So, it's also illustrative for me for him to be a model now that I'm just into 7 years into marriage. So nakikita ko na yung value ng yung pagmamahal ni Daddy sa amin, Mom. So I also remember my dad as a good and generous provider. So my first gift from my dad was a multicolored mini basketball. So for a child, for a boy, that is his treasure, the most precious thing that a little boy will possess. So I played with that ball passionately, and I was able to develop my signature shot, the Irinola low shot. So Dad was generous, and he was a generous provider for us. So I also remember my dad for his industry and his effective practical life. So he was an early riser, being GI, genuine Ilocano. So even before the sun rose, I would listen or hear someone working already in the kitchen or doing kitchen chores, and he would already be answering his favorite crosswords and sipping his morning coffee. So that was an early riser, and he is an example of hard work and frugality and industry. So, hello.